Hi everyone, Mark here with Couchbase. Today we'll be taking a look at Couchbase Agent Memory, one of the powerful capabilities of the Couchbase AI Data Plane. The Couchbase AI Data Plane is a unified data infrastructure for production agentic applications. It provides AI agents with persistent memory, governed access to tools and data, and consistent context from the cloud to the edge. It sits between large language models, tools, and operational data, so agents can be more useful, reliable, and production ready. A critical component of the AI data plane is agent memory. Without memory, an agentic app faces many challenges that increase cost and ruin the user experience. First, there's generic interaction. Without memory, the agent has no idea who it's talking to. It treats every user the same. No preferences, no history, no context. The result is responses that feel robotic and off-target, dampening the experience. Users notice immediately. Second, the repetition loop. Without memory, every new session starts from zero. Users are forced to re-explain who they are, what they need, and what they've already tried. This isn't just annoying, it actively erodes trust in the agent. If your AI assistant can't remember a conversation from yesterday, why would anyone rely on it for something important? Third, multi-agent failure. As we move towards multi-agent systems, where specialized agents hand off to each other, memory becomes the connective tissue. Without it, agents clash on objectives, duplicate each other's work, and drop the ball at handoff points. What looks like an agent orchestration problem is usually a data problem. And fourth, token cost explosion. When there's no memory layer, applications compensate by stuffing the full conversation history into every prompt turn. That burns tokens fast. By turn 20, you're paying to process the same early messages 20 times over. At scale, it's not just a performance issue, it's a significant and growing line item in your infrastructure cost. The point here is simple. The absence of memory doesn't just degrade the user experience, it actively drives up costs and breaks the multi-agent architectures that enterprises are betting on. Couchbase Agent Memory solves these problems. Couchbase Agent Memory provides short-term conversational context, long-term semantic memory, and profile memory, all through a single API. It deploys wherever Couchbase runs. It scales with the cluster, and governance is built in. It provides an out-of-the-box foundation for agentic apps to maintain the memory and context critical for the hyper-personalized experiences that you have to provide for your users. It acts as a memory layer for the agentic workflows and threads and uses Couchbase to store both short-term and long-term memory for quick on-the-fly retrieval. Now let's take a look at a Couchbase-powered agentic application for a major hotel chain. We'll start in the agent memory server, where we see the actual memory blocks from the agentic sessions stored as JSON documents in Couchbase. Notice the shape of the data. It has a block ID, a user ID, and session ID. The message or fact content, an auto-generated summary, embedding vectors, a context field, a timestamp, and a status. With Couchbase Agent Memory, we aren't dumping raw logs. Every block is shaped for quick retrieval the moment it lands. Let's look at the Hotel Concierge app example. I'll log in as Alice, a hotel guest planning her stay. She asks a question about her previous stay where she had a less than stellar experience due to issues with food and wait times. The Agent Memory server instantly provides the memories to the agent to inform its response in real time. Here we see the agent acknowledge the specific issues that she had, and it assures Alice that everything is fixed now. The app also references the specific memories provided from Agent Memory server in the agent's response, showing the sophisticated cumulative nature of its recollection. Since Couchbase Agent Memory returns what has actually been observed across past days, any new detail that Alice adds goes into the memory for the next time she returns. For example, she was flagged with a seafood allergy in earlier sessions, but now she tells the agent that she has a doctor's clearance for seafood. Agent Memory will store this and ensure the app remembers it in the future. Because of her medical clearance, Alice asks the agent to arrange a salmon dish for her upcoming stay. Now let's throw the app a real-world curveball. Suppose Alice logs in later and asks to change her food order without providing any context. Will the agent remember her last few exchanges? Couchbase Agent Memory passes all the tests and returns both blocks, the original seafood allergy from January and the new doctor's clearance from just a while ago. The concierge reconciles them in just one answer. And looking again at the Agent Memory server, we see every chat turn from the last few minutes is already in Alice's session memory. Status ready, embeddings generated, summaries and contexts populated, the seafood clearance update, the salmon pre-order, the fish and chip swap, all of it. One write to the SDK, immediately visible in the server and ready to inform future sessions. Agents become far more capable when they can remember past interactions, decisions, and outcomes. That memory lets them build long-term profiles of customers, assets, or processes, avoid repeating questions or mistakes, improve recommendations over time, and share relevant history across channels and devices. The AI data plane stores that memory alongside other data and makes it retrievable in a way that supports both structured information and unstructured content, while respecting access controls. Instead of treating memory as a one-off vector store bolted onto a prototype, the AI data plane makes it a first-class, governed part of the architecture. To learn more about the Couchbase AI data plane, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. And thanks for watching.